Yeah. Yeah. You have a nice, yeah. بس جيم كان يقدم بس كويريس عزلة انت كواركا اويس ايتوس اويس tattoo. Tattoo is not elam. It's not hand. It's not a hand.
It's not what?
adkaatay كويريس كود عسى انت كواركا مقع اويس ايكت it is big بس markii hore niidan ka jawaad meel kalaan ka jawaab wallahi
It's not henna. It's a tattoo.
abay waan ii jawaab bas iga dhe Soomaali noo igu horceeyo bas gabar garabkeeda shabad weyn ku taalo ma aan u suuroonay I'm sorry I don't wanna
Thanks, Marud.
bismillah والله alaabtii Zlatan Ibrahimovic ay tus
I got the money gun.
shabad miyaa mise lug wayta bismillah garabkeeda intaan shabad ku taagay gaari gacanka damba meeqa shabada ku taal imbood halkan geemle iga kaga kat
Who's gonna win this game?
kanahay
This one.
suga inta waday abay I feel shy stop I feel shy you touch yeah area wrong area stop
It's my neck.
not neck wasii socota abay ayaleyni that's the wrong area tell me the 3 positive that I have
3 positives. You're funny.
okay
You're always smiling.
hey
And of course, you're very, 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 very handsome.
And my fans they need to record because a lot of jealous people around me. So will you repeat again one more time, honey?
No, I said it once.
Say, and for the sake of our friendship, say again one more time.
You're funny.
Okay.
You're always smiling.
Hey.
And you're very, 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 maybe handsome.
Okay. Can I give you one gift?
Give me a gift.
That's my gift. See you.
Bye. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Don't touch wrong area only.
I did not touch wrong area.
It's your neck. It's your neck.
It's my neck.
My, you have a beautiful neck. Good. Ira sport director lagu yahay anagana sooro ku dhargoya 19 jir 30 jirna waa la biilo kuwaanoo kale yaa soomaalida ku xamaala qabiil damba maka hadli leena you walk in 16 in director sport director anagana 30 jirkeena rabo in la biila ka waran oo uganduu kuu joogaa ka waran adig you change xafaayad kaya homi totally you keep the children or you change the oldie you care the oldie man.
So you think I'm childish?
No. You are too. You have a smart brain, and you are a hard worker.
People are saying you think I'm childish.
No. The people is Somalida rufiyan sana jawa ibalamiye ka waran ninkan wuxuu ku dhawaay cunugeriisa dhaaday inkaaraa idinku dhacdo rufiyan sana Somalida rufiyan sana jaa gabadhii oqdad geliyeen ka waran beat me in my heart or you want to beat me in my brain?
I want to beat you at this game.
You don't want to break my heart, right?
No, I don't want to break your heart ever.
Because of what?
Because you are so lovely.
like intaas ii duub please waa idin barya intaas ii duub and why ii duubaya kastoo hadalka slow motion ku furaya why do you like to broke my heart?
I don't want to break your heart.
Why?
Why are you winning this game?
Because he is my cousin. He defended me.
Because you're lovely.
Lovely for what?
What do you mean? I don't want to break your heart. I don't want to break anyone's heart.
You wanted to treat my heart? هذا screen recording kugu socdo in career screen recording.
I just had screen record, so you're getting them to record it. You're getting them to record this. You think I'm stupid.
Screen recording, I thought screen recording in Somali language, but it's English.
You said it in English, so well done, you outed yourself.
I thought screen recording in Somali, but I forget it's English. But you can say to me, I don't want to break my heart. It's simple.
No, now your heart can be broken because you're screen recording this.
Do I deserve a relationship for this amazing girl? Because it's my first time to saw such amazing girl like you. Because you are unique.
Is it? How many people have you said that to?
It's my first time to say that.
How many people have you said it to?
Not forget the past. First is important.
See, you've said it to more people.
Because I was seeing such beautiful lady in my dream, but now I can see in front of me. It is so lucky.
You said to everyone.
No, that's unique for you.
I don't believe you. Who's Marish?
عدانكي حتى ماريش ما كنا سير إنكار ماريش ووضع قبل محفرة ما تخدي يا ماريش she's my sister.
You just told me she was a girl in Canada, so now you're lying to me.
She's my closest friend. But now you have some behavior that I like. Because when I saw your eyes, I saw so many honest. If I feel headache, I feel your face, I become okay. You are natural.
Yeah, you said that to many people before.
Maya, you are natural medicine. If I saw you, I feel okay. I never said another girl.
You always say it to other girls.
No, that's the word I said, it's copyright for you. Will you want to break my heart?
No.
Okay, accept my relationship.
If I win this game, I'll accept the relationship. Because it's irritating me that you keep winning.
Okay, I don't want to show. If you live in a Birmingham, we take a outing time, having fun, because it's gabar kale ma ku dhihin abaaco adi maxaa qalbi malid ma inkaarashiyey weliga ingiriis.
I'm very angry.
No, I'm not angry. Laakiin waa igu adkeynaysaa inkaara kugu dhacday waa ku suurooday intaan ka badan. And in Snapchat, okay?
I don't give my Snapchat out.
Look. Balan waa wacdiyan ku galaa haystaan tala ma ah alaabu inay tus dacbu gadinan galo.
Out of signal.
Yes, fahamkii meel xano ila tagaya.
Why did you say the F word?
Yeah, signal. Do you know signal?
No.
When the light is over. Okay. Now